Hey guys, today we're going to go over working with um, tables in Microsoft Word 2016 and 2019. So let's just jump right into it. Alright, we're going to create a table. It's not going to really matter how big we create it right now. We'll decide what it's going to be for in just a second. But we'll just do a 4 by 4 just for fun. Alright, now the first thing I want to show you is how to kind of work with the design and the look of the table. First thing to realize is if you click away from the table, your home ribbon switches back. So you want to go and click on this little handle here in the top left of your table and click on Table Design. Now this table design has a lot of different shading and coloring options for your table. You could scroll down here. We're going to scroll down a little ways and find something that'll work alright for us. I kind of like the look of having this bar on the left too. Alright, we'll do this green one. So we'll just make this movies to watch during self-quarantine. Alright, so we've got that here, and let's see if this is enough columns for us, or if we have to add a couple. So we'll say this is the watch order. So this would be movie number 1, we watch, number 2, we watch. This one here, it might be the Rotten Tomatoes scores for the movie. This might be my ranking. I want to decide later on, I give it a 5 out of 10 or 5 out of, maybe 5 out of 5, who knows. We'll just say critics say. And now we don't have enough room. Let's say I want to add a couple more things. What's a way to add in another column here? So what we're going to do is we're going to right click and we're going to say insert and we're going to say columns to the right. So now we've got a new column. So after critics say, let's say I want one to know, hey, after this whole situation or after I see this movie, would it be safe for my kids to watch? Would I be comfortable with them watching it? Does it have adult content, etc.? And let's add one more. Well, we don't have the... Yeah, no, that should work. We don't have the area for the name, though. So I'm just going to see if we can copy this here, paste it there, and get rid of this one. And we're going to say movie name. That's probably pretty important. Alright, we'll do a little just spacing to move everything in order. Now this is on 3 lines. That's really annoying. So what we're going to do is we're going to select all of these cells across the top, and that's a left click and drag. And we're going to right click and we're going to go merge cells. There we go. And we'll give that a little bit of a style to it. Maybe we'll do emphasis. We'll increase the font a couple times and maybe change the font. There we go. Movies to watch during self-quarantine. It's going to want me to add a dash in there. Alright, so let's say movie 1, Braveheart, I don't know. And we start filling this out. Yeah, we're just about there. But let's say we're adding movies in here and we get to the point where there's not enough room for us to have the next one. If we hit enter, it actually does not create a new cell. We could keep typing and keep typing, but see what's happening is this is all in one cell. It's not like Excel. Even though it's a table, it's nothing like Excel. So we need to really tell it what to do. So let's say we get to the bottom of our list and we're like, crap, we still have 3 more movies to watch and there's no room on the list. What do I do? Do I have to recreate the whole thing? No, same thing as before. Right click, insert, and this time it'll be rows below. Insert, rows below. Just like that. So you can continue to add your different movies in there. So yeah, we really appreciate you guys watching our videos. We make these for you guys, and we always want to know that we're making content that helps you guys out. So if you have a chance, leave a comment if you have anything anything to add, or if you find this video helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us. We appreciate it. Thank you, guys.